Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Will ever stop it, Nana? Nana.
Sir, difference between character and traits.
Traits.
No. Okay. Can you read which book you are having now? All of you?
Akash, sir.
Akash.
Akasha. So yesterday I was given clarity, inheritance and variations. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So just you read Mendel Laws of Inheritance introduction part. All of you. I will give you 5
Yes.
minutes once. Where he was born, what he did. Huh? Okay, now?
Okay, sir.
What's up? What to study?
Page introduction part. Mendel's Laws of Inheritance. Is there no?
We read sir already.
You read, huh?
Study you said na.
So you told to read yesterday, sir.
Yes.
We read it yesterday only, sir.
Any doubts are there? Huh?
No.
No, sir.
Gotcha. Mendel was the first person to carry out hybridization experiments in plants.
Yes sir.
Statement one.
True, sir.
It is wrong. Wrong. Mendel was not the first person to carry out the hybridization experiments. Before Mendel, several scientists they carried out the hybridization experiments. Okay, na?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Before Mendel, several scientists, they proposed a hybridization experiment by considering the bundle of character in each cross. Suppose A plant, B plant are there. Okay, na?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
A rice plant, B rice plant. A rice plant having some bundle of characters, no?
Yes, sir.
Height, resistance,
Yes, sir.
number of branches, leaves, grain production, quality of grain, like that. Many these all constitute the bundle of character, no?
Yes, sir.
But Mendel, what he did, no? For each experiment, he considered one or two characters. You got it, please?
One not two.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, or one or two.
One or two character. Others, what they did, suppose you take myself. How is the botness or height this much? His color, how it is? How is hand, fingers, how they are appearance? You got it up, please. What is the height of his chest, shoulders, like that? So that means these are all considering about the
Character.
bundle of characters, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All the characters which are present within me, if I goes on discussing, this become a bundle of characters, several number of characters, no? So this causes the utter confusion, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So Mendel was very smart guy. He considered only one or two character each time in cross hybridization experiment, cross pollination, cross fertilization or hybridization experiment. For example, he started doing the experiments of plant by taking one height. Just we consider height. Pea plant is made up of bundle of characters, no?
Yes, sir.
But he considered each time how many characters?
One or two characters.
And one or two character which was selected by him, he maintained a separate record for each character. And he made, for considering one character, he made crosses in hundreds, thousands of plants for single character. See, this is the tall plant. This is the dwarf plant. F1 progeny is obtained. How many characters you consider here?
One character.
But he did not have to here. When F1 is formed, he self-fertilized and raised to
F2.
and raised to
F3.
F3 generation. And here only one plant he did not cross these two plants. Like he considers some hundreds to thousands of plants for one character. You got it up, please?
Got it, sir.
Here, how many plants I am showing?
Two plants.
Did he cross with respect to height only in two plants, sir?
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Hundreds to
Thousands.
thousands of plants. And he observed first generations. Suppose he considered 10, according to my knowledge, he has got large sampling size. Boल के है देखो in your book. It is there that word
Wait, sir.
in the book. You see large sampling size. बोल के.
Yes, sir. On the first page.
Is there a
Is there?
Yes, sir.
large sampling size? So that means large sampling size means here in this case about 10,000 plants he considered for one cross. 10,000 plants, large sampling size, and he maintained the record. Oh, F1 generation like this, F2 generation with respect to height, F3 generation with respect to height. Then color of the flower, position of the flower, like that. Each time he considered one or two characters and maintaining a separate record. And he was the first person. Mendel was the first person to use the statistical analysis, mathematic logic in biological phenomena. You might have learned 3:1 ratio in lower classes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Phenotypic ratio 1:2:1.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So he was the first person to use statistical analysis and mathematical knowledge in biological phenomenon. And so whatever the results he obtained, so he calculated, he used the statistics as well as mathematics. Oh, if cross is made like this, what is the probability of tall plants? What is the probability of dwarf plant in F1 generation, F2 generation, F3 generation? So he analyzed because he was very strong in the mathematics. This is also one of the successful for the Mendel to propose the laws of inheritance. Okay, na? So Mendel was not the first person, okay, to carry out the hybridization experiment. But Mendel was the first person to consider one or few characters. Followed up?
Yes, sir.
What is the experimental plant material?
Garden.
Pisum, sir.
Pisum sativum.
Pisum
Sativum.
Common name?
Pea.
Garden.
Garden.
Pea plant, huh?
Garden. Pea.
Garden
Garden
pea.
Garden.
Sweet pea plant, huh? Wild pea plant, huh?
Garden. Pea.
Sweet pea plant means Lathyrus odoratus. Wild pea plant means Lathyrus sativum, sorry. Garden pea plant, Pisum sativum. Garden pea, sweet pea, wild pea. These three belongs to same families. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So he conducted experiments sweet pea, wild pea, garden pea. All of these.
Garden
Garden.
Garden P. P.
Garden pea. When he started his experiments,
1856.
1856.
to
1863.
1863. 1863.
so Mendel carried out the hybridization experiments on garden pea plant from which year to which year?
1856 to 1863.
For how many years?
7 years.
7.
7 years. Okay, na? When he was published his ideas, these results,
1866.
18. Where he published his paper in the name of the title of the paper,
Proceedings of National
Experiments on plant hybridization.
experiments on
Plant
Plant
hybridization.
hybridization.
plant, very important, plant hybridization experiments. So he, where he was published this one?
Society of Brunn.
Society of Brunn. Proceedings of Natural History Society of Brunn. Okay, na?
Yes. Yes.
Don't tell your own answer. Proceedings of Natural History Society of Brunn. Very, very, very important. Okay, na? Very
Yes. No, sir.
okay. See, I didn't remember correctly, Nana. In 2019 or 18. There is a question. Mendel carried out experiments on garden pea plant from this
Yes.
year given, Nana.
In 2019 they asked.
19 they asked, Nana.
Yes, sir. In previous year paper I saw.
2019. Okay. See, it is easy as well as difficult.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
As a student, what you will do? Yes, who will ask me? Just you will read like a newspaper, you will forget. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
You may remember this point. Experiments on plant hybridization. Is a paper published with title name. Experiments on plant hybridization. You feel this is very important. And where he published his results in the Proceedings of Natural History Society of Brunn. Do you feel important? But can you feel important this one?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So, like that few students, they lost the marks. So be careful. Be careful. This is very important. And Mendel conducted artificial cross-pollination on which plant? Pea plant? Inbreed lines, pure lines.
True lines.
Pure lines. This is also important. He conducted experiments on pure lines. Okay, na? Which lines, Nana?
Pure line.
Pure lines, sir.
Pure lines means these are the plants, they undergo continuous self-pollination and they produces the identical progenies. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the tall plant. The genotype is like this. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
This is a dwarf plant. Genotype is like this. If you do self-pollination, which plant is formed?
Tall.
If you do self-pollination, which plant is formed?
Short.
Short plant.
Again, you do self-pollination, which plant is formed?
Tall.
Tall.
Again, which plant is formed?
Tall.
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 Which plant is formed?
Short.
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 So these all
Short.
are
Short plant.
Pure
Short
lines.
plants. Yeah, pure.
followed up.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Pure lines are produced by which pollination? Which
Self-
fertilization?
Self-pollination.
Pollination.
Self-pollination or self-fertilization. Followed up.
Yes, sir.
Mendel selected how many true breeding plants varieties?
14.
14 pure breeding. This is also asked 2021 or 2020. I didn't remember. How many, Nana? How many?
14.
How many?
14.
14.
And he considered as a, in this, how many characters considered
7 pairs.
of
Contrasting traits.
followed up? One interesting thing I will tell you. It is accidentally maybe happened. I don't know. On which plant he conducted experiments?
Garden pea.
Garden. This garden pea plant contains 2n is equal to 14 chromosomes. Okay, na? That means 7 pairs. Okay, na? Correct? Na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you see what I found after reading this one, I got an idea. What is that to me? Mendel performed hybridization experiments in pea plant. It contains 7 pairs of characters. He considers 7 pairs of characters. How many?
7
Seven.
pairs.
7 pairs.
And that plant contains 7 pairs of chromosomes. Correct?
Yes, sir.
He
Yes, sir.
considers 7 pairs of contrasting traits for his experiment. The plant which is chosen by him, that plant also possesses 7 pairs of chromosomes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And he performed his experiment for 7 years. You see how accidentally it is correlated. He performed experiments for 7 years, 1856 to 1863. And the plant which was selected by him is Physon garden pea, Physon sativum. It contains 2n is equal to 14 chromosomes. Means 7 pairs of chromosomes. How many varieties he considered? 7. How many varieties? Nana? 7 pairs. How many characters? 7 pairs of contrasting traits. 7 pairs of pure lines he selected. See, how to remember I am telling 7, 7, 7. You will forget
No,
No,
sir.
Okay, there is a table is given. Very, 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 very important. Okay, na? One has to look for the table. Very important. Okay, Nana. Now you gotten some idea. Mendel carried out hybridization experiments in 1856 to 1863. That is for 7 years. Correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
He considered how many pure line varieties, Nana?
14.
7 pairs.
In the 7 pairs of he chosen 7 pairs of contrasting traits, and he was the first person to use statistical analysis, mathematical logic in solving the problems in biology. Correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And his all results he published in which one, Nana? Annual Proceedings of Brun Natural Science Society, and this man was died in 1884. When he was died, Nana?
1884.
Excuse me. Okay, Nana. Here you must remember, Mendel first died in 1884 due to the kidney failure, Nana.
Oh.
Due to kidney failure, he was died in 1884. But when his results were published, and nobody was accepted his results. It was unnoticed for 34 years now. How many years, Nana?
34.
34 years. Mendel's results was unnoticed. Afterwards, I will explain what is the reason, what is the cause for that. But in 1900, Mendel's laws are rediscovered by three scientists independently. Three scientists from three different places, three different countries, they rediscovered the Mendel laws. And when rediscovered, they accepted, and Mendel became a father of botany, genetics, founder of genetics. But at that time, Mendel was no more. When Mendel's experiments results are recognized in 1900, but Mendel was no more. When he was alive, no one was accepted. This is the pity in the life of the Mendel.
He was there, he did not become the father.
No, nobody accepted Nora
Acha.
when he published his results. Okay, annual proceedings of the Natural Science Society when he was published in year 1866. Actually, it was published in 1866. Almost when it was rediscovered.
1900.
So 1900, 34 years, it remained unnoticed, you know.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
When he was died,
1894.
so he was not there. No more Mendel. That is pity in the life of Mendel. Very bad luck, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What are the reasons? Afterwards, the topic is there. We discuss later. Okay. The part which I am explaining, the table is there, no, by?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is very, very important. Compulsory questions. Compulsory questions. Okay. Let us discuss. I will give you a little bit more information related to that table. How many characters you consider?
7 pairs.
7 characters.
7.
7. How many pairs of contrasting triads?
7.
7 pairs.
7.
Characters. Okay, na?
Yes.
Next. Contrasting triads. Okay, na? Here I will take dominant and recessive both. Okay, na? Dominant, recessive character. Dominant character, recessive character. Okay, na? Genes located on chromosome number. Okay, na?
Yes.
Here. What is the first one, Ra?
Height.
Height.
Height. Okay. Contrasting height, tall. These are the alleles. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Dwarf.
Small.
Small to small t. Okay, na? This is located on how many chromosomes are present in pea plant?
4.
It is located on 4. How many chromosomes are present means 4 are
14.
14, sir.
7 pairs 14. Okay. Okay, you got it, huh?
Yes, sir.
Next. Flower
Color.
color. Violet. Okay, na?
Yes. Capital W.
Capital V, capital V. Okay, na? Any doubt, bhai?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, na? Small v, small v. Here, another character that is not there, I'm giving additional one. Seed code color also you can just say.
Sir, we can use W also, na sir? For flower color.
What?
For flower color, in place of V, we can use W also, no?
W also you can use. Why not W?
So we read W, that's why I asked.
Okay, you can write W also. Okay, na? You can also use CC, capital C, capital C.
Yes, sir.
Color. Okay, na? Small c, small c. And if you consider code color, here it is gray and white. These two are one and the same. Note, this is additional information. Code color. So where it is located, this gene?
One.
Okay.
First.
Next, third. Flower position. Axile is dominant. Terminal is recessive. Capital A, capital A, A. When dominant, which one is taking, that only you should take. Axial position, terminal means you should not put TT. It creates a lot of problem. Are you following, Nana?
Yes.
Yes.
See, terminal means I would have kept capital T, or small t. Then it is a problem with this, no?
Right, yes.
Yes or no, Anna?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So to avoid that problem, scientists, what they did, whatever the alphabet, for dominant character, a capital alphabet it is taken, and for recessive character, they are taken the same alphabet, but it is in small letters. Okay, na?
Yes.
Yes.
You got it?
Sir,
Abhi?
why were they? How
For
did they
dominant
decide to
character, listen, for dominant character, always capital letter should be used. Okay, na? Which letter?
Yes.
Capital alphabet is used. And whatever capital alphabet, for tallness, I am using TT. Okay, na? For dwarfness, I should not use capital D, or small d, small. It is a problem. For example, here only I am showing. Flower position, axial terminal. If terminal means I am putting TT with small t, small d. Again, I can consider it is a height, no? Confusion, no?
Yes. Sir.
Yes, sir.
So to avoid that one, for dominant, whichever the alphabet for dominant capital alphabet is used, for recessive small alphabet is used. Okay, na? For dominant character, which alphabet should be used?
Capital.
capital letter?
Capital, dominant. For recessive,
Small.
small alphabet. So, second step, whatever the dominant character, when you are using dominant capital alphabet, for recessive also, you should use the same alphabet, but that should be in small letter. Okay, na? Are you following, Nana?
Got
See,
it, sir.
tallness, what is the dominant genes alleles I used?
TT.
T, capital T, capital T. This is dominant. So for dwarfness, I should use small d, yeah?
No, sir.
Small
For
d,
this
small d.
character, if I will use, this is wrong. I should use whatever
Small
the
d, small d.
Small t.
the same thing should be in small letters. Okay, na?
Yes,
Small,
sir.
smaller. Capital alphabets used for dominant characters, and small alphabets are used for the recessive. Okay, na? Same type of alphabets. And capital for dominant, small alphabets for the recessive. Okay, na? Now, where it is located, this gene flower position, can you guess?
4.
4.
Okay. Next, Nana. Fourth character.
Pod shape.
Huh?
Odd shape.
Pod shape.
Pod shape. Pod shape. Some papers say the pod means legume fruit. Which fruit, Nana? Means fruit. Which fruit? That is legume. Pod other name is the legume fruit. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Pod shape. No. What is the dominant character?
Inflated.
Inflated.
Inflated or full. Okay, na? Inflated or full. I. Constricted. I am not using small c, small c. I am using small I, small. Okay, na? Where these chromosomes are located?
4.
Next, fifth one. Next, fifth one. Which one?
Pod color.
Hot color.
Pod color. Pod color. See, unripened fruit, which color?
Green.
Green.
That is dominant. Okay, na? Next,
Yellow.
Yellow.
yellow, na? It is located on.
5.
5.
Next,
So for seed coat color also we are using G.
where?
For seed.
Here I
Okay.
written.
Yes.
Next, Nana.
Seed shape.
Seed shape.
C shape. Round. Here,
Wrinkle.
Wrinkled.
is located on 7, na?
7. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Last character.
Seed color.
Note. Which color?
Seed color.
Seed color. Here,
Seed
Seed
coat.
coat color.
then seed color, seed coat color. What do you mean by this? So many students, they do mistakes. Actually, the here seed coat color means no. You can write within the bracket. Cotyledon color. See? This is the pea seed, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I will draw like this means
Wrinkle.
Wrinkle.
it is wrong, dominant. This is the seed coat. Outer protective covering. Seed coat are
Cotyledon color.
Yes,
Ni
sir.
Abba. This is what you are looking here.
Sorry, sir. Seed coat.
Seed coat, grey color. This is
White.
white. Inside this, what is present? Embryo is present, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Embryo means embryonal axis, radical, plumule, and cotyledon. Correct? Huh?
Yes,
sir.
So here inside this embryo is present like this. This is the embryo. What are these?
Cotyledon.
Cotyledon color. What is the cotyledon color?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Here,
Green.
capital Y, small y, small y. Where it is located?
1.
You remember. Pea plant contain how many pairs of chromosomes?
7 pairs.
But the 7 pairs of characters chosen by the Mendel, they are distributed on the 7 pairs of chromosomes. Huh?
No, sir.
How many pairs of chromosomes? How many types?
4.
4.
4 types. What are those 4 types? 1457. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You remember like that. 1, 4, 5, 7 means you will go in the. You remember 1457. The 7 pairs of characters chosen by the Mendel for his hybridization experiment, they are distributed, they are located on 4 different types of chromosomes. What are those 4 different types of chromosomes? Please tell me.
1457.
1457.
1457. So, how many characters chosen by the Mendel located on the 4th chromosome?
3.
53.
Height,
Height,
flower
flower
position,
position.
and pod shape.
Followed up.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But one interesting feature you must remember. Mendel was not aware of all these things. Mendel was not aware of DNA. Mendel was not aware of gene. Mendel was not aware of allele. He never used these terms. He used the term something. For something, he used the term factor. The factor which we are naming it as gene now. Are you following, Nana?
Yes, sir.
He used something is passing from parents to offsprings through successive generations stably without undergoing any change through gametes. He believed that the gametes are carrying the parental characters from parents to offsprings. And he used that something as a factor. Today we are calling that factor as a
Gene.
gene. But he was not aware of chromosome, DNA, gene, like all these things. Later, a scientist was there. Yes, Blixt. What is his name? What is the name of the scientist?
Yes.
Next.
Yes, Blixt. Concluded that the genes studied by Mendel were located on 4 different types of chromosomes. Who concluded? Mendel, huh?
Yes,
No,
Blixt.
sir.
No, this man. Mendel was not aware all these things. They are distributed on 4th one like that. He was not aware. Who was aware first time? Who concluded? Who studied?
S. Blixt.
Yes, Blixt.
This information which was I was placed, that is the information gathered by the
Yes,
Yes,
Blixt.
sir.
followed up.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So Mendel considered how many pairs of contrasting characters?
7.
7.
7 pairs. They are located on how many types of chromosomes?
4.
4.
What are those 4?
1457.
No, you tell me. Mendel consider what is the ratio of vegetative to reproductive characters considered by the Mendel? What is the ratio of vegetative characters to floral characters or reproductive characters? 1:6, no?
Yes, sir.
Height is vegetative character, no?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Followed up. When plant
Yes.
matures, what it will produce?
Flower.
Flower. Flowers after fertilization develops into
Fruit.
Fruit.
then
Seed.
that's why sequential order you remember. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Maturity produces flowers. Yes, sir? No?
Yes, sir.
Flowers undergoes sexual reproduction. Product of fertilization is fruit and seed formation, no?
Yes, sir.
So 2 flower characters, 2 fruit characters, 2 seed characters. You remember. 2, you see. Flower 2 are
Yes,
flower
sir.
color, flower position. Fruit 2. Shape and color are
Yes, sir.
seed shape and seed color are
Yes, sir.
so all 2. So Mendel consider how many characters with respect to color?
3.
What are those 3?
Flower color, pod color, and seed color.
The dominant color become recessive in which character of Mendel?
Seed color.
You see, very important. Green color is dominant for the fruit color, correct?
Yes, sir.
But it is recessive for the.
Seed color.
So this is important. Our papers, they will ask this type of question. Yellow is recessive, but it becomes dominant for the cotyledon seed color. Flower 2, fruit 2, seed 2. So how to remember, I am telling 7 characters. Vegetate carry only height over. Next, after maturity, flower. Next sequential order, fruit. Next seed. Flower. What character? One is color, another one is position. Fruit, shape and color. Seed, shape and color. So here in this case, if you see, what is common in reproductive character chosen by the Mendel? Color is common, no? For 3 types.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Root color and seed color. Correct?
Yes, sir.
When you read, your preparation is something. When I am explaining, you are getting something else difference. Yes or no? So paper setter can create a different versions of this. So your preparation should be like this. How I explain to you. Now you got it? Any confusion? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, let us. We go ahead. See, Nana. Mendel. What is the one of the foremost reason for success of Mendel? Can you tell? What is the foremost reason for success of Mendel? And he became a father of genetics. What is the reason? One of the foremost reason for the success of Mendel is the selection of garden.
Choose correct, yes.
Are you following, Nana?
Yes, sir.
So that is very, very. So selection of garden pea plant is the foremost reason for selection of, what is that, Nana?
Garden pea.
Selection of garden pea plants for hybridization is the foremost reason for success of Mendel. Why? Let us discuss one after the. Okay, na? Number 1. Pure varieties of pea, garden pea. Garden pea plants were available. Okay, na? Pure varieties of garden pea plants were available. Any doubt? Now, next. It is easy to cultivate. These plants are easy to cultivate. Utmost care should not be taken for this. Are you following, Nana? There are some plants from beginning to last, utmost care should be taken. But here, it is not like that. Utmost care is not required. Easy to cultivate. And do not require much care after. Okay, na? It does not require much care. It is a which plant?
Annual plant.
Identify the character which is not related to pea plant. Easy to cultivate. Utmost care is not required. It is an annual. It is a biennial plant. It is a bisexual plant. Which is not related?
Biennial plant.
Biennial. It is a biennial. It is a which plant, Nana?
Annual plant.
Annual plant. Annual plant means it will complete its life cycle within a 1 season, no?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
lifespan It is very short, no?
Yes.
So this is
sir.
also advanced. Otherwise, he has to wait for the years together, means it is very, very difficult, no? So it is an annual plant. It has got very short lifespan. Okay, na? Next, these pea plants are showing the pea plants are bisexual. Which one, Anna? They produce which flowers?
Bisexual flowers.
Bisexual flowers. They show bud pollination. Which pollination? But before opening of the flowers, they show natural self-pollination. They undergo natural
Self-pollination.
that is bud condition. During bud condition only, before opening only, it will undergo self-pollination. Okay, na? Any doubt? Any doubt, right? So even though it is bud pollination, self-pollination, but it can be done as well as cross-pollination can also carried out.
Yes.
The plants which are undergoing natural self-pollination, it is very difficult to undergo the cross-pollination. But here, one advantage is there. Even though it is can undergo natural self-pollination, the plants can be forcefully made to.
Cross-pollinate.
Cross-pollinate.
Okay. If in some plants forcefully they are made to cross-pollination, fertile hybrids cannot be produced. But here, interesting feature, always it is able to produce
Fertile hybrids.
fertile hybrids for successive generation. F1 generation, F2 generation, F3 generation, those are producing the fertile hybrids. And this plant is small. Are you following? Pea plant is small with distinguished contrasting traits. You got it up, please. Are you following? These plants contain large number of detectable contrasting characters, traits. If you see the pea plant, oh, this is a tall plant, this is a dwarf plant. Easily you are identifying. These are the violet color flowers, these are the white color flowers. So easily you are detecting, no, those characters? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you here Mendel is doing which type of pollination?
Self.
Cross pollination, no?
No.
Hybridization means cross pollination, no, bhai?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes,
sir.
He's crossing tall with dwarf, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Which pollination is doing artificial cross pollination, no?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So when he's performing the artificial cross pollination, so he has to collect the male pollen grains, no?
yes, sir.
To dust on the female flower, no?
Yes, sir.
If plant is very tall, means it is very difficult to collect the pollen grains from the male flowers, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And to dust on the female flowers. But here the plant is small, easily handled, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just going to that plant, just to collecting the pollen grains and dusting, it is easy. If the plant is tall, it is very difficult task, no?
Yes, sir.
So these are the advantage. Plant is small with detectable, easy detectable, several contrasting traits are present. Okay, na? And flowers also bisexual and large in size. If they are smaller in size, then what happens? It is very difficult for the collecting the pollen grains and dusting the pollen grains on the stigma. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If flowers are too tiny, means male, female sex organs become too tiny, you know.
Yes, sir.
So collection of pollen grains and dusting the collected pollen grains on the stigma, it is very, very difficult task, you know. But here flowers are larger in size, and this is the stigma, and these are the anthers. They are large. So easily pollen grains are collected, they are dusted on the stigma. Artificial cross pollination can be performed easily. Okay, na? It has short lifespan. Short lifespan. Even though it has got short lifespan and produces large number of offsprings. And produces large number of offsprings. Means large number of seeds. So these are all are the advantages. And this made the Mendel to success. And he became father of genetics, founder of genetics. One of the reasons for the Mendel to become a father of genetics, selection of garden plant. Why means these are the reasons.
Any doubt in this?
Pure varieties
No,
of
sir,
pea
not
plants are available.
It is on
They
a
are
free
easy
metal,
to
right?
cultivate
Yes.
and
It
handle.
is free metal.
It is a much atmosphere is not required.
Free metal.
It is an annual plant. It produces bisexual flowers which are large in size.
Average
Easily
energy,
one
right?
can handle.
Yes.
And shows
Demo
natural
after.
self-pollination, that is
Sir, average
self-pollination,
energy and
as well as
that is
one
after
can able
ligand
to
came
do
close or later,
artificial
sir?
Yes.
cross-pollination.
Average energy of d
And due to
orbital
artificial
Okay, sir.
cross-pollination, fertile hybrids are produced through successful
in
generation.
spherical crystal feed. Okay.
And plant is small and with a distinct, detectable contrasting triads. It has short lifespan. Within a short lifespan, it produces large number of new plants, offsprings. So these are the some of the advantages of garden pea plant for selecting the selecting as an experimental material for Mendel. This question was asked in IP examination n number of times. 4 marks question. N number of times. This question which is repeatedly asked. What are the advantages of selecting the garden pea plant by Mendel? That is the question. 4 marks question. Here, paper setter now create how many statements are true with respect to garden pea plant. Which of the following is not true for garden pea plant? Which of the following is true for garden pea plant? Like that, they will ask each and every statement thoroughly to go constantly. So, Mendel performed self-pollination or artificial cross-pollination?
Artificial
Artificial
cross-pollination.
But naturally they undergo.
Self-pollination.
Self-pollination.
So, natural self-pollinated plants he made to
Artificial cross-pollination.
artificial cross-pollination. Followed up?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Please remember, this beyond NCERT, but within the syllabus, there is no clarity in your textbook. Just I am giving 3 statements, then I will wind up. Mendel's experimental technique. Mendel's experimental technique. What are the techniques used by the Mendel? First step is the selection of parents. Which type of parents, Nana? Pure parent plants. Okay, na? Like height. He selected which parents, Nana?
Tall and dwarf.
Pure. These are pure parents, no?
Yes.
Flower color, for example.
Violet and white.
Followed up?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is the first step. Second step. What is the second step? After selection, what he did, Nana?
Artificial cross-pollination.
Artificial cross-pollination. Or
Breeding.
Hybridization of pure parents for generations.
Homozygous organism.
So F1 generation, I should write. F1 generation. Followed up?
Yes.
Like this,
Yes,
capital
sir.
T, capital T, crossed with small t, small t. What is obtained now?
Capital T, small t.
Small t.
This generation is known as
One generation.
One generation.
artificial cross pollination, is crossing the two plants differ in their genotypes. Is known as hybridization, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The progeny which is obtained is known as
Hybrid.
hybrid.
Breed.
Which hybrid this is?
One.
One.
Yes, sir. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So next, third step, last step, final step. Self-breeding in hybrid plants. Self-breeding or self-pollination or self-fertilization. Self-breeding, self-pollination or self-fertilization. In which plant, Nana?
Hybrid plants.
In hybrids. For
One
F2,
gen.
F3, like that generations. Correct? Huh?
Yes.
Suppose capital T, small t. He made which pollination? Self-pollination.
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 He made self-pollination. So the progeny which obtained is now which generation, Nana?
F2 generation.
3.
Now you for this you will get a
Two, sir.
F2 generation. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
And F2 generations are self-pollinated to produce.
Three.
3.
3.
Yes, these are the steps. Followed up? What are
Yes,
the
sir.
3 steps, Nana?
Action of parents, artificial cross pollination, and self pollination.
So, what is the other name you can write here? Selfing of F1 hybrids. Correct? Huh?
Yes.
To obtain
F2. F3.
F2, F3 generations. So on. Correct? Huh?
Yes.
Any doubt?
Sir,
No,
selfing
sir.
of F1 hybrids. After that, what did you write, sir?
Selfing of F1 hybrids to obtain F2 generations, F3 generation, like that. So on. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
F2 generation produces
F3.
like that. Followed up?
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow I will go in detail. Okay?
Okay.
You are having what is allele, what is gene, these all terminologies are there, no? When I'm explaining this Mendel laws, you can. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
sir. Bye.
Sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Sir.